Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Trend, stock reference number 5543. The shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror is faded. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror also clear peeling. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.